yeah, it's a nice size and it's going to be tasty. I'm going to show you the preparation soon, and make sure to subscribe right down here. You'll catch the next videos. Also search mushrooms on this channel. Gonna find a lot of cool stuff. By the way, when I harvest this, I like to leave some of it so it can rejuvenate. Using a knife, I go down to the base, remove some of it, like this. Aha, beautiful. Exactly what I'm looking for. And I've left some of it to rejuvenate. Show you the back side of that mushroom. Beautiful. A small container can be a helpful tool so that the mushroom does not get damaged in transportation, or a bag works as well. This is going to be good. Chef here. I'm in the kitchen with this awesome mushroom. This is the hen of the woods. If you watched the earlier video, you saw me collect these, and I like to put some of it back into nature so they keep coming back. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. First thing is, you want to wash them off slightly. You can brush them, but I like to wash this type of mushroom because it does get a little bit of dirt collected on there. And you want to remove anything that's dry or damaged on this mushroom. And then we're gonna cut it into small pieces like this, bite size. We're gonna prepare this two ways. Want to trim and remove anything that's drying out, exposing the nice flesh like this. The finished hen of the woods two ways, fried and roasted. A little bit of herb garnish. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'm putting 2 ounces or less of clarified butter. Starting with my onions and garlic together. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. The finished hen of the woods two ways, fried and roasted. A little bit of herb garnish. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. So to get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. $10 or $20 for a bottle. It's imitation vanilla. This bottle's worth $40 to $60 because it's the real deal. I'm going to show you how to make it for just a few bucks. Put a large funnel in the bottle, line up your bottles, drop your beans in. You open your bottle of awesome rum. Oh yeah, look at that. And you pour some in. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah, I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. Check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,